Hi and welcome back to the final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 3rd of February with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's look at gold, and the gold chart is interesting because it's sort of once again just fluctuating around this 23.6% fib level. Yesterday's close was pretty much bang on that level, and it again seems to be using that as a little bit of support. So the bulls are not going to go quietly, it would seem, into this correction back towards that support again around that 1255 area. Interesting also that we've had this I've drawn in a downtrend from the corrective high that had been sort of capping the peaks. We seem to be just breaking through that downtrend of late as this rally that we've had today sort of goes. But I mean, we've had a slight bit of correction in the last hour or so. Failure to really break decisively above that 1284.60 rally high. 1285.10 is the rally high in the last hour before we started to turn back again. But it certainly looks like the bulls are still hanging on really, and I found it very interesting that even today the intraday low has been 1271.80. That obviously coincides with all these key lows that we had historically through this range, which created this horizontal line that I've got in here. So that's protecting now that 1266.20 low that we posted yesterday, and it just seems as though that there's a bit more of support that's coming in now. I still think that there is a medium-term low that's going to be seen around this 1255, between 1252 and 1255 area. Whether that has now been seen or not will be interesting, because as I said, we're now beginning to break down this downtrend. We're beginning to break up through to the upside on this downtrend. So stochastics have begun to turn higher as well, so that's an interesting factor on the daily chart. MACD lines remain in bullish configuration, not really showing much of a corrective angle. So perhaps it is that the bulls are already fighting back, and they're beginning to think about the next upside break. So this downtrend on this intraday chart, I think, becomes fairly important now. Now you're starting to break through it. If you can consistently see this moving above the 1284.60 reaction high, then we can start to think about maybe next tests of resistance. That 1297.50 rally high is the 27th on the 27th of Jan. That's the next key level that you need to break through. But certainly at the moment, if you started to see consistently trading above 1285, then that would suggest that the bulls are back in control, I think. So that support around 1271.80 seems to be back in play as well. So keep an eye on that. But lots going on the gold chart once again, and I wish you good luck in your trading throughout today, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thank you.